Today we're going to be reviewing the Tipsy Tray from Single-Handed. And if you're watching this, you're probably wondering, should I spend the money to buy the Single-Handed tray? We probably all watch their advertisement where you see people rappelling down cliffs, holding drinks in their tray, and you're wondering, can I do that myself? Well, we're here to try to answer that.
Okay.
And I invited my dad to come along, which is one of the greatest mechanical engineer minds of the country.
More.
On the world.
Okay.
And we have devised 3 tests to be able to assess whether it is actually as good as they say. What are the tests then?
Well, we're going to test first the capacity, how many things you can hold on the tray.
Yeah.
Then the stability, how stable this is. And then the handleability, how easy it is to carry the tray.
And to make things a little more interesting, we had a pretty boozy lunch. We're still going to keep drinking, and we're actually going to be doing all this thing tipsy.
Fairly unsober.
Fairly unsober. You know, we really want to test it to the max for you guys.
I don't drink.
I'm going to do the testing.
Okay.
Wow. Anyway, so let's start by opening it up and see how it looks from the inside. So we open it up. Okay, top tips, it doesn't fall down, tells you how to wash it. Great. We can put this aside. Again, a bunch of instruction. Great for the elderly and the infirm. Dad, this is great for you then.
Don't be silly.
Okay, so pretty cool looking handle, right? And this is the frame of the tray. And this is the tray. All right, let's assemble and let's talk about it. What's your first opinion?
Well, first of all, it's quite a nice design, I would say. Easy to assemble together. I kind of dislike this looseness of the tray. I understand that maybe it's done not to create too much, work in fixing the tray. But it maybe it's a little bit too loose, huh?
But I guess when you put some weight on it, it's probably gonna...
Yeah, but still, I would have made it a little bit more, clicking.
Yeah, I guess. The tray
These
itself...
also, you need to be careful. And also this one should have a click, in my opinion.
Because this one is designed to fall through.
But it doesn't click, huh?
It doesn't click. And then you put a tray on top of it. The tray's got a little bit of a texture material, so I guess it really helps to get things to stick to it. But like you said, you can just kind of pull this out quite quickly, quite easily. Which I guess it could be also positive, because say you're serving, you put it down, you just lay it away. I agree with you, the design is actually quite cool.
It is.
Very cool.
Also, the material is heavy. I don't know whether it's stainless steel, but it's
yeah, it looks
very nicely.
It looks legit. It looks expensive. It is a little bit heavy. I think we're going to put it on scale later just to tell you how much it weighs, but I'm sure that data is also on the website. Let's start testing. Okay, test number 1. What is this?
We have filled 5 caps.
There's 6. It's too tipsy to count. 6 cups.
Well, they look 12. I just divided by what? Okay, 6 cups full of water.
Yeah.
And now Stefano will jump from a small bench and check what happens. Okay? This is stability test.
I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. All right. Okay. Let's do this. Somebody help me get up.
I'll hold this.
Okay. Okay, so this is our control group. 1 hand or 2 hands? I think 2 hands.
Now, let's do it with 2 hands. It's pretty good, actually.
That's pretty good, yeah. But anyway, we got like a bunch of water, but it's not too bad. Maybe it's because I'm very athletic.
Yeah, do it with 1 hand.
Okay, with 1 hand. I feel like we need to. All right. Somebody help me again. Push.
And then I am the old guy. Yeah?
Push. Okay, with 1 hand. Okay. And jump.
Still spilling.
Still spilling. Okay.
Check the spill.
So we got a bit of spilling. So let's top them up and we try with the Tipsy Tray. All right. We get to try now with the Tipsy Tray. So let's give this a shot.
Absolutely perfect.
It's pretty good.
No spill.
No spill.
Try again.
Okay.
Try now without hands. With no hands. Left-handed.
Okay. Left-handed.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Oh.
No spill.
No spill.
whatsoever.
Okay.
Fantastic.
So Tipsy Tray is working for the first test. Second test.
Second test.
Do you remember the second test?
Capacity test.
Capacity test. And now we're going to do the capacity test. So we put 12. Can you count? Or 24? How many are you saying?
It looks like 24.
12 with water. And I'm just going to walk as if I'm a waiter, as if I'm serving somebody, and see whether
At speed.
at speed, like a waiter.
Go.
All right. Fine.
Spinach.
Nah. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
One spilled.
No twisting.
Yeah. In fair, I did do a twist, which I think is not really designed for that. So now let's try with the control group. And now for the control group, I'm gonna start doing with 2 hands, and then we're gonna try with 1 hand. So with 2 hands, I'm a waiter. I'm going around, I'm trying to serve people, and I'm making a bit of a mess. Follow me, Ines. Follow me, Ines. And I'm gonna do a turn. And I will be fired from the restaurant. So I'm not gonna even try with 1 hand because.
No, you should.
But it's the point. I mean, we're making a disaster with 2 hands.
Because
Okay, we're gonna make it with 1 hand because here we are all professionals. So we're gonna do it with 1
No,
hand.
the level of spillage, even walking, will be much higher.
Okay. So we're gonna show it still worse. And now with 1 hand, I think I'm just gonna get soaked with this. So, okay, Ines, let's start walking. Go.
No, speed.
Go.
Speed.
Okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm good. I'm good. Oh shit! I'm getting wet. Getting wet. Getting wet. Turning around and turning. Oh. Okay.
Okay. Well, no doubt.
To be honest, I was being a little bit more cautious because I didn't want to get wet.
No, but there is
Anyway, the result I think is pretty clear.
There's
So
a lot of wet.
a lot of wet. Third test. What was it again?
No, we did.
No, there was how you can go around fluidly.
Well, I think you demonstrated this.
So we did 2 tests in 1.
We did 2 tests in 1. Yes.
We did 2 tests. We're that efficient. So
No, in my opinion, it's a good kit.
good kid.
It's a good kit. Actually, takes into consideration uses basically gravitational force and gyroscopic force to the purpose of stability. So it's quite good.
Gyroscopic force. No, it's good. It's good. It's good. Our audience is technical that way.
Okay, cool.
So would you spend? I think that's about 38 pounds or about $550 US. Would you spend that much money on a tray like that?
No, I think it's worth the money. Yeah.
Because I think like the other thing which we didn't really discuss about is the effective advantage of having a free hand, right? I mean, there's one thing about being able to carry whatever you want to carry, but it's also very advantageous to be able to do it in 1 hand.
But also
effectively.
the confidence to do the service because you know there is nothing serious going to happen with that one.
Yeah.
Unless you do crazy things.
All right, so this is our review. I hope you like it. We have in the comments affiliate links for both the US and the UK. So if you use them, we get a little bit of a commission, but you won't pay anything else. So please click on it if you like it and leave a like and comment. Ciao.
Ciao.